In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy items with a PayPal account. This process is straightforward and convenient, ideal for online shopping enthusiasts who prefer a seamless payment experience. Let's walk through each step to ensure your experience is as smooth as possible. Firstly, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to PayPal's website and create an account. This involves providing some personal details and linking a bank account or credit card for transactions. Once set up, your PayPal account will be your gateway to effortless online purchasing. Next, log into your PayPal account. You'll need your email address and your password to access the account. If you've forgotten your password, PayPal provides an easy password recovery option. Once logged in, the next step is to visit an online store. For this example, let's use eBay, a popular choice for a wide variety of products. Navigate to eBay by typing in the web address, or simply search for it on your preferred browser. Now that you're on eBay, it's time to locate the item you wish to buy. Utilize the search bar to find specific items, or browse through categories if you're not sure what you're looking for. When you find something you like, take a moment to review the product details and ensure it meets your needs. When you're ready to purchase, click on the Buy It Now button. This step initiates the transaction process and moves you one step closer to owning your chosen product. Typically, you'll find this button prominently displayed near the price of the item. Next, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Choose PayPal from the list of options. It's a preferred payment method for many thanks to its secure transactions and buyer protection policies. After selecting PayPal, click on Pay with PayPal. This action will redirect you to the PayPal website where you'll need to log in again. Use the same email address and password you used earlier to access your PayPal account. Once logged in, it's important to review the payment details on the PayPal website, double check the amount and ensure all details are correct. Then proceed to authorize the transaction by clicking the Pay Now button or a similarly labeled button. Upon authorizing the payment, PayPal will redirect you back to eBay. This means your payment has been processed and your order is now finalized. And that's it! You've successfully purchased an item using your PayPal account. With these steps, you'll find online shopping to be a hassle-free experience, offering both ease and security as you explore and buy the items you love. Happy shopping!